Okay, so the next thing is I'm going to show you how you can paraphrase a complete book on your own to be able to use it maybe on Amazon KDP or similar websites to even sell it on your own using this very chatbot, which is the Quillbot. So we're going to be on the paraphraser. But the first thing is I'm going to show you how I get my books, how I download them from PLR websites. So all we need to do is to go to a PLR website where we can download freely available books. Okay, so we can come to freeplrdownloads.com. This is the website where you have access to all the books that you want, depending on the niche that you are targeting. You can see different kind of niche over here. Depending on what niche are you targeting, you can have them over here. So all the books you see here are free to use, to even amend or to reshare or to sell on different platforms. They are copyright free and nobody is going to come after you. They have 3 different kind of PLR and MRR products. Okay, so you can come here and select any book. In my own case, I'm going to select this book, How to Succeed in Affiliate Marketing. I like this book, so we're going to download it and we're going to try to see how we can paraphrase it into a completely different book without you even knowing. Even with the plagiarism checker, you will not be able to detect that this is this book. Everything can be paraphrased. And download this book. Let's click on it to download. You can come down here and download it. I've just downloaded mine, so let's try to open it. Usually when you open it, it's going to be a zipped file. So I've opened mine over here. Look at it, and we can double click over here to see it. And this is the book in PDF format, so you can just go ahead and double click to open it. And you can see it over here, How to Succeed in Affiliate Marketing. If you like, the first thing you may want to do is to convert it into a Word document, and then you can go ahead and edit it accordingly. But in my own case, I don't want to convert it, so I can just go ahead. You can change even the disclaimer if you want, but I don't want to do that. I already have my disclaimer and the table of contents. This is the introduction. So all you need is just to start by copying the content. For example, I've copy this first paragraph, a copy. Then I can come back to my Quillbot over here, come to paraphrase, make sure I'm on the paraphraser option. You can see it over here. And then you can just paste in the one paragraph that I've just copied. Now I just go ahead and click on paraphrase, and it's going to paraphrase everything to me. So you can see everything. So let's try to read and see how powerful this paraphraser is before we move on to the next one. Affiliate marketing is one of the most effective ways for anyone to earn money online. This is a quick and passive method to earn cash that is highly scalable and that is easy to set up. So this is the first 2 paragraphs. Sentences. Let's read here and see whether it has actually changed everything. One of the best methods to make money online is through affiliate marketing. This is fast. This is a fast, passive, and highly scalable and simple to set up way to make money. You can see it has completely successfully changed it, and you can see the paraphrasing is done professional. So if you have the premium version, you can go ahead and check out the paraphrasing using the other formats like Fluency, Formal, Simple, Creative, Expand, and Shorten. But for now, I think for this tutorial, I think the free version is very good enough. You can do all of your paraphrasings and you have everything to standard. I like the standard version. So you can see no technical skill is required. And if you choose the right products and connect with the right market, you can stand to make hundreds of even thousands of dollars in a short space of time. So you can see you don't need any technical knowledge. You can see how it has been completely paraphrased. And if you pick the correct products and target the market and target the proper market, you might quickly earn hundreds or even thousands of dollars. You can see the paraphrasing actually is done very, very professional. So all I need to do is, if you want, you can come over here, and if you want, you can change some of the words. And because as you hover over any of them, you click on any, you could be able to see synonyms of that particular word, and you can be able to select accordingly to replace and to make complete meaning to the sentence. But I think at this point, I just like it like this, so I can just go ahead and click on copy. Just copied. So what I need to do now is so I can come to my Google Docs. I usually do all of my editings in Google Docs. So I can come to docs.google.com and I can create a blank sheet. Just rename it. I'm going to name it Affiliate Marketing Book. So you can come over here and just paste So let's say this is the introduction. So I can paste the first paragraph, and everything here is paraphrased, and you cannot see it anywhere. If you can run the plagiarism checker also, you can see it's plagiarism free. So all you need is to go to the next paragraph. You can see how fast it is. You can just copy this. Yeah, so you can just highlight and copy the next paragraph. You can just come all the way back to your Quillbot and select everything, paste it, and paraphrase. As you move on, you are gradually going to trust it. Okay, so once you copy, you can just come back to your doc file and just paste it. So this is the next paragraph. You can see, however, let's take a brief setback. Okay, first let's define affiliate marketing. So you can see it's part of the introductory part. You can just come back, so you can just go ahead. First, what precisely is affiliate marketing? So you can see the transition. So you can see now, you can go ahead. If you want, you can take into paragraphs, but for effective usage, I prefer to go paragraph by paragraph. So you can come back to Quillbot, select everything, paste, and say paraphrase, and it's going to give you exactly what you are looking out for. Okay, so you can see this is it. And go ahead and copy, come back here, and you just paste it. You can just separate because these are two paragraphs. So you can go ahead and do the same thing and keep doing the same thing to edit most of the components of the book. You can just go ahead, copy this, or let's say we copy the entire file, the entire two paragraphs. Okay, so to make it faster, so you can just copy back to your Quillbot, select everything and paste. Just separate that these are two paragraphs. So you can just paraphrase, and it's going to give you the results in two paragraphs. See, just like so. You can just go ahead and copy, because over time you begin to trust it. You can read if you want, you can reread and see how you can correct it. But I have done that for a number of books, like 2 or 3 that I've written. But then at some point I realized that my corrections are so minimal and I tend to trust the bot. So I'm just using it directly. So you can see everything is now intact. So let's see up to maybe we can finish one complete section. So we can go, now we have finished this one. Okay, so now we have finished the introduction, and you can see we've just done the introductory part. So next is we can look at chapter 1, which is why affiliate marketing is the best way to make money for beginners. So let's copy this chapter, and we can paraphrase this chapter as well. You can just come back to your chatbot, go over to chatbot, select everything. I want to paraphrase this, and you can say paraphrase. You can see just paraphrase this chapter 1, the best way to make money for beginners, why affiliate marketing is the best option. Okay, so you can just go ahead and copy, or if you don't want this, you can say rephrase. Okay, you can rephrase also if you want. Okay, why affiliate marketing is the best way to earn money for beginners, chapter 1. But I don't like it like this. Let me rephrase again. Chapter 1, the best way to earn money for beginners, affiliate marketing. Yes, I think I prefer this one. So you can copy, come back here, and just make sure that it is chapter 1. So you can just highlight this and probably bold it. Okay, so you can bold it, and then you can go down and go to the next. Okay, come back to the next chapter to continue to copy the content. So you can go ahead and copy this one. Okay, up to here, you can copy, and then you can come back to Quillbot, select everything, paste, and then make sure you just separate them. All right, and say paraphrase. And I think I'm okay with this. Once it has paraphrased, you can just go ahead and copy, come back to your affiliate marketing doc file. You can just paste it, and then you can go back to the same PDF document and copy the remaining ones. Copy this one. So this is a continuation. So you come back to Quillbot, select everything, paste, but we need to copy more. So this is the complete paragraph, and let me add one more paragraph. Let me add one more paragraph to this. Okay, so I just copy and then go back here, and then you can paste. So let's separate this to make it 2 paragraphs. You can fix the errors if you want, but then I think it's, for now, you don't need to bother much about the errors. We'll do that at the end of it all, so you can check the grammar and everything. If you want, you can check the grammar even at this point. You can check the grammar and correct everything if you want, but I don't do that at this moment. So you can just copy, come back to your affiliate marketing book. You can just paste it. You can see you have now pasted everything. So this is how you continue to do for most of the parts. Okay, so you can just go ahead. Let's say we copy the whole of this one also, and then you can come back the same way. You can just select, separate, and paraphrase, and you can see everything is now coming to shape. Okay, you just copy, and then you can come back here and you can paste it. So usually after completing everything, you have to sit down and read everything and see how you can try on your own to put in some human touch, so it doesn't fully look like a robot. You just put in some human touch and put some connectors and maybe add 1 or 2 paragraphs on your own to make it look different. Yeah, completely different. Okay, so you can do that on your own, but the main idea behind the chatbot is for you to be able to shorten the timing you take to write the complete book. And just go ahead and continue to do that, and just copy this one. Yeah, copy it, and then back to your chatbot, paste it. Let's copy the remaining part to make it a complete sentence. Yeah, to make it a complete paragraph, we just paste this and then paraphrase, and everything is done. You can just go ahead and paste it. So you can come back, and this is a subheading, so you can just go ahead, copy the subheading, maybe 2 paragraphs more. All right, and then go back to the Quillbot, copy everything and paste. Just show that this is a subheading, and then this is a paragraph, and then paraphrase, and you can see it has done the paraphrasing nicely. All right, so just copy and come back here, paste, and we can bold this. Later I'll put the rest of the formatting, but then just to show you that this is how you're going to continue to copy, paste, and then later you can sit on your own, reread everything to make sure you get it to the standard. So you can just go ahead and do the same thing here. You just copy up to here, and you can come back to the Quillbot, paste, just make sure you separate. Okay, paraphrase, you copy, and then back here and paste. So this is how it's going to be. This is how you're going to keep on doing it until you reach chapter 2, and then you can go on and on and on and on until you paraphrased everything. Then you can sit down and edit accordingly. So you can just go ahead and sit down and reread everything from scratch, and then you can put the preliminary pages and the conclusion pages and so on, and then reread and see how you can put in some touch, maybe add 1 or 2 paragraphs like I've explained earlier, to see what difference you can bring. So basically this is how to write a complete book. Once you're done, you can just go ahead and save it out in PDF. If you want, you can just export as a PDF. You can download it in different formats, but I prefer to download in PDF. So you can even add images, and to make it more different, to make it more lively, you can go to other copyright free websites to download some images that you can add to make complete meaning in the book and to put in some more life to it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.